Hello everyone, it's your girl, Elon the Stylist, and I am tired of people playing with my time. As a hairstylist, my entire schedule is tight. My entire day is based off of a tight schedule. When one client is late, or let's say worst case scenario is a no-show for an appointment, it throws off my entire day. Is that you, sis? Let me ask you a few questions just in case. Do you ever feel like there's just not enough hours in the day? Do you consider yourself to be a habitual procrastinator? Are you always late everywhere you go? Do you feel attacked right now? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then make excellent use of your time right now and keep watching this video. All right, y'all. So the first key to better time management is goal setting. Now, I know it's February, but it's still a new year, y'all. It's 2020. Have you written out your goals for the year? It's important to differentiate your short-term goals from your long-term goals. That's what helps you to break them down into bite-sized pieces, okay? So what I like to do is keep an agenda daily. So what I have on my agenda is the things that I need to do, and then I also create a to-do list for each day. So take a look at my to-do list for today. So I'm going to do something a little different today, and I'm going to allow you guys to watch as I knock out this to-do list today. You ready? Let's go. I like to start off every single day by telling God how much I love him, how much I'm thankful for life, and I pretty much tell him what I am thankful for and that I am ready for a new day and just giving everything to him for the day. Today is going to be a pretty busy, typical day. Well, busy is not a realistic word. I don't know, it's not packed, but it's a typical day. I have a client in an hour. When I have clients early morning, I don't usually try to wake up too much earlier than the client or than the appointment, because why? Because I don't need to. I don't have to. Being an entrepreneur means being able to do whatever it is that you want to do. So I love that freedom. I'm hungry, so I'm not sure if I want to eat before my client or wait till after. I can wait. Yes, I will wait. I'm going to have a bottle of water. Ooh, coffee. Ooh, I'm going to have coffee. And then I'm going to eat after my client. So come along with me on this beautiful Friday. Stay tuned. So I just finished my client. I'm getting ready. Well, I should have recorded the client, but no, privacy. So I only record clients with their permission, and I was not thinking about that. It was just a quick maintenance appointment, so super easy. Yep, now I'm about to make myself something to eat, and then we're gonna go on a little trip. All right, stay tuned. I wanted to take you guys to Ross to look at some notebooks and planners because I want y'all to have some options. I got my planner from, I think, TJ Maxx. I think, don't quote me on that, but TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, they pretty much all have the same type of products. So I'm gonna take you guys inside of the Ross in Castleberry to see what they have, just so y'all can see the options. Commit your plans to the Lord and your plans will be established. Amen. See, this one's only $3.99, y'all. Do not go to Target. Because it is February, most of the planners are already gone. So, slim pickings. This is a cute notebook. For the future, that's right. Oh, look, there go the rest of the scripture right now. That's cute. I like how y'all did that. Break it up. This is beautiful. Huge. Oh yeah, here we go. Something big like this if you want something large. Lots of notebooks. So after leaving Ross, I ended up going straight to work, and after that getting my groceries from Walmart, and just like that, our to-do list is complete. So the next demon that we need to tackle is boredom. Call me crazy, but I know somebody grandma out there used to say this: an idle mind is the devil's playground. Whenever I'm bored, I promise you, that is when distractions show up. God forbid I have a day with no clients, and that'll be the day that an ex will text me, somebody with some muscles will DM me, a new TV show will come on or something, or the freaking loophole that social media is will just suck me right in. If you don't hear anything else I said today, hear this. Distractions were created to keep you from your purpose. Trust me, baby. The enemy, he knows your heart so well. He knows exactly what it is that you want to hear to keep you away from your purpose. If that boy is not pushing you towards your goals or helping you in some way, keep it brief and keep it moving, baby, because you ain't got time. You ain't got time. Keep it moving. One of my favorite ways to tackle boredom is to make a list of easy items for your short-term goal list and little things to do when you're bored. So the last key to better time management is to stop all procrastination. Goal setting should have timelines. That goes for work, school, personal, or business. What you want to do is set realistic goals for your schedule availability. For instance, if you know you're only going to have 1 free hour in a day, do not try to set a huge goal to get something completed during that time. Be realistic with yourself. All right, y'all, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Before you go, do yourself a favor and make yourself a list of things to do tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much again for watching. Bye-bye.